Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Vinted shipping label order failed error. First, check your internet connection. A weak connection can stop the request from completing. Then, check your address. Go to Profile, then Settings, and select Postage. Make sure your address is complete. Include your house number, street name, and postcode. Missing details can cause the label to fail. If the problem continues, try selecting a different carrier. For example, if you usually use Yodel, suggest your buyer choose InPost, or vice versa. Sometimes switching the shipping provider resolves the issue. Another option is to try a different drop-off point. Occasionally, a store's machine or terminal is malfunctioning. If available, try another nearby location. You can also check if the carrier supports a digital QR code option. Some drop-off points allow you to scan a code without printing the label. This can bypass printing issues. If none of these steps work, contact Vinted customer support. Open the order, select I have an issue, and report the problem. Support can check your account and fix the issue from their side. Thanks for watching.